This is Angus. Angus is a welder.
Yes.
So Angus is going to do the bits that we fucked up. Holes for us and get some Right then, welcome back. Final bulkhead video, I hope, fingers crossed. We have a visitor.
Howdy.
This is Angus. Angus is a welder.
Yes.
So Angus is going to do the bits that we fucked up. So there's a couple of bits that's left to do. I've got to go and find a part that I need to drill back through because I got a little bit happy and filled the holes that should have been holes. So I need to go and find those. Angus is going to just do the last couple of spot welds for us and get some heat into these tacks across the bottom. So I'm going to leave you in his capable hands. He is a welder by trade, so he should nail this. No pressure. Right then, the bulkhead is finally done. So Angus has welded it up for us, the last couple of bits. I've drilled some holes out that needed to be drilled out, and now it's ready for primer. So I'll spin you around. There's a lot on it that's not very pretty, but it doesn't matter because it's going to be seam sealed. So like the inside bit that's covered by the dashboard, structurally sound, which is all that really matters. The rest of it has all been prettified. As you can see, spin you around here, we've used some filler to get it to how we want it to be. So I just need to run a sander over that little lip there because we couldn't get to it because of the windscreen. And then it's ready for some primer and some NATO green. So we'll prime it first, seam seal the hell out of it, then NATO green it, and then the bulkhead is done. Completed saga. So yeah, it's been a long road. I think that's episode 6, I think it is, of the bulkhead. It's been a bit of a monster. Reality states that, you know, if you've got the money, just buy a new bulkhead. Somebody's done the job for you. But the whole idea of us doing this was to keep the cost down because we can control the labour because the labour's our own. That's the whole plan anyway. So yeah, thanks very much for watching. If you like it, give us a like. Please do give us a like. It helps us with the videos moving up in the recommended by YouTube. If you're not already subscribed, subscribe. We've got some cool military stuff going on, as well as the classics. Mindy's still in the background. She's tucked up in a tent now, but yeah, she's still about. And there's some links in the description below if you have a look. We've got some merch for ourselves. Mick's got some merch because of this fantastic workshop that he's letting us use. And there's also some stuff in there for DJI, which is all the camera equipment that we use. If you click on that, if you decide to buy any of it, it gives us a little bit kickback to the channel. We're not sponsored by them, it's just an affiliated link. Yeah, there's also Buy Me a Coffee and Patreon if you ever feel so kind, but you don't have to. Anyway, thanks very much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.